Part 0 of solving the Rubik's Cube. Easiest part, sit back, relax. Don't think that it's nothing, but it is something, but very easy. Have you heard the word cube notation? I mean, you might have heard it, in which and also you've probably seen it too, but you never knew that is cube notation. If you haven't learned already, that's okay, but if you're just a beginner starting out who is watching this part 0, then congrats, you'll just learn your first part of solving it. So, cube notation. Here is what I mean. R is this. So R is turned the right face clockwise. You can imagine that there's a clock on the right face and it goes this direction. That's why you turn this. Each move has 3 sets, and because there are 6 possible moves, there are 6 possible moves if you just do this without all of the primes and 2s and 3s and 4s and stuff like that, which we will get into. Then, yeah, it's pretty simple actually, and it's only 18 moves to memorize, plus they're very simple. So R is turned the right clockwise. R prime, just the prime means anti-clockwise, so that means this direction. R2, turn 2 times, like this. And this is our first pair of moves, so here is an R2, and then it goes. So you kind of want to do it like that. You hold it like this, very loose, just like that with your fingers, and then these 2 fingers are right here, and you go 1, and then you go 2, and you do that same. And yeah, this is how it works. Now, so that's your first 3 set. Then you can do, for example, L, L. So this is L, A. It's a nice kind of move. It goes like this. Then you get what L2 is, just 2 times. And it doesn't matter with the 2 because no matter which direction you twist it, it always be the same. For example, I have the white here. I twist it 2 times, it's yellow. Then I return this move. And I twist it 2 times here, it's also yellow. So it doesn't matter which direction you do the 2s. But yeah, that's basically L, then L2, and then L prime. What about F? F means turn the front, so F and F2. F2 just double move. And F prime. Next we have B, it's this back layer here. So if you imagine there's a clock, the clock will go this way, so that's clockwise, and this is B. You get the point, B2, and then B prime. And finally, you have U prime, this is U prime, and this is U. That, and finally, D, and yeah, you get the point, D prime, and finally D2. There you go. That's as simple as it is. And then also memorize M prime, middle layer up, so like this, H prime, M, and then finally S. To me, S would be like this. So, and of course, that is it for today's video. Bye. Thank you for watching. And if you're a beginner who just learned this, then congrats on solving your first cube. It looks just like that. Bye, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next